Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through the process of how plantain flour is made. So if you have been eating amala and you do not know how it is made, or you want to start making it for home use or even for commercial purpose, sit down and watch this video to the end because you will learn everything you need to know about how amala is made from beginning to the end. Before I start, let me first of all show you guys how plantain tree looks like. This is how plantain tree looks like, and there are many species of plantain, but this is the most common one in Nigeria. Guys, plantain is basically the only thing you need for plantain flour, but I'll be adding one more thing that will take this plantain flour from 0 to 100. So keep watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. I'm simply washing the plantain to get rid of dirt. I know you will be wondering by now why I tie rubber. It is to prevent my clothes from getting stained. You know, plantain has this fluid that easily stains things, including your palms, and the stain don't easily go off. So that's why I'm tying this wrapper to prevent my clothes from getting stained. And guys, I have a video on how to wash off plantain stains easily from your palms, and I'm going to leave the link for you guys to go check it out. Next is peeling. You peel the plantain by just cutting off the both ends of the plantain. Cut through the skin and then peel off the skin. I want to say a big thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you guys for liking, thank you for commenting, and for sharing my videos. May God bless you all for me. After peeling, I'll go ahead and wash it again. Unripe plantain is packed with plenty nutrients. It contains iron, which helps to prevent anemia. It has magnesium, potassium, and vitamins. It also aids in weight loss. Next is slicing. You can use a slicer, grater, or knife, but be sure to slice your plantain really thin if you want it to dry fast. I'm putting my beautifully sliced plantain under the sun to dry. Please do not overcrowd it for easy drying, and be turning it from time to time. Normally it will take this plantain 3 to 4 days to dry completely, but it took it 2 days because the weather was really hot the week I made the plantain flour, so I was so lucky. See the weather. So guys, this is the grain that I'll be adding to this plantain flour. It is called guinea corn. As you can see, it has been picked, washed, and dried. Guinea corn is rich in protein, fats, carb, mineral, dietary fibers, and vitamins. Please take it to me like if you will be adding guinea corn to your own, because this grain is really strong, unless you have a strong blender or you want to kiss your blender goodbye. off to grind it. I took it to this first miller, but her machine wasn't able to grind it well because of the guinea corn. You see why I say you should take it to a commercial miller if you'll be adding the guinea corn, unless a chori kiss your blender goodbye. I had to take it to another miller that has a bigger machine, and he did a very nice job. Look at how smooth it is looking. There's no need to sieve it again because it is already very smooth. But if yours is not that smooth, you can take a step further by sieving it. Just like that, our plantain guinea corn flour is ready. The guinea corn in this gives it finer texture and it increases the quality and quantity. It also makes the amala looks finer. Like it does not look that blackish that normal amala has, that blackish color that normal amala has. The color of this one is so superb. Guys, if you will be adding guinea corn to your own, please come back and tell me what you think. Please do not forget to come back and tell me what you think. And please add guinea corn to your own and come back and tell me what you think. The flour is super hot. You have to open it down to cool down, or you transfer it to a bigger tray for it to cool down completely before storing. This can last you for months without spoiling if properly stored. Before I forget, guys, I will be uploading another video on unripe plantain something next week. Please do well and come back and watch the video. Do not forget. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new video. Stay blessed until I come your way again.